And why is the government not appointing proper doctors and medical staff in the district? Already appointed and made so many hospitals in our area. Soon after that, a hospital will come in your area.
Women want to travel 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put in service to supply water? And how many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected?
This problem is in my consideration and we will solve the problem very soon.
Sir, I think my colleagues are blaming the problem. I don't know why they are saying like that. And the steps have been taken by the government. And ORS packets have been distributed and water tankers have been put into service. All services have been taken by the government.
Sir, there are very poor facilities in our hospitals. There are no doctors and doctors have gone for a long leaves. It's a shame, sir. It's a shame. Should take the measures very quickly.
Sir, the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government didn't pay any attention to sanitation. We have now taken a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around for years.
Sir, in my constituency, during the last three weeks, there are 15 deaths by the area. I think it's a shame for the government.
Sir, it's a very shame that the schools in our area is so poor in facilities and there is no smart TVs in our schools and the benches are in very...
We have already taken the measures and we will go through your points